Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about a very important electronic component named as LDR. LDR full form is Light Dependent Resistor. It is a type of resistor whose value varies under the presence of light. In this video, we will check practically how this LDR works under the presence of light and under the absence of light. This LDR is having two legs, like you can see, and there is no positive and negative in this resistor. As you know, in resistors there is no positive and negative, so it can be added in any direction to the circuit. Now if you will take a look of this LDR, there is a zigzag line is there. This zigzag line is a cadmium sulfate layer. So now let's check what is the change in value of this resistor when we apply the light. For that we are having a multimeter. We have set the multimeter to the 200K. Now first of all, check in the normal condition the value of this resistor. Hold the two terminals on this, you can find 6.1K is the value. 6.1 kilo ohm is the resistance of this LDR under the condition in which I am shooting. So if I will put my hand on the surface, it means there is a complete dark on the LDR. So let's see what is the value of resistance. See, when the light on the LDR decreased and it becomes almost complete dark, its value is 33 kilo ohm, which increased up to a very high extent. Now let's check if we apply the light on the LDR. I have touched it on the one side. See, it is showing 1.2, and now I'm going to put my flashlight on the LDR. See, as I am putting this flashlight, its value is reduced up to a very large extent. It is coming only 0.4.5 kilo ohm, which is nearly 400 to 500 ohm value. It means when the lights fall on the LDR is of very high intensity, its resistance decreased up to a very low value. Now let's check the effect of this LDR on the intensity of glow of LED also. For that we have to make a simple circuit. So for making a simple circuit, we need a resistor and an LED. I am going to put this one here, and I am going to put this resistor from positive to positive of LED. Now you have to put the LDR in between. I have used this resistor because if the value is reduced to a very significant level, then there may be a possibility that my LED get fused. Now I am going to add this LDR in series manner. Now using another wire, I am going to complete the connection. You can see the LED is glowing. Okay. Now I am going to put my hand on this LDR. See, you can see the LED got dimmer. See, its glow increases. Means when I put my hand, there is a complete dark and there is a very high value of resistance. And when I remove my hand, there is a glow in LED. Now we can make the circuit more better by using a wire or piece of wire also. See how I'm going to use a small piece of wire and just putting my LDR little bit of away from the circuit so that you can easily see what is happening when I am putting the light on this LDR. See, this was a normal terminal. Now it's turn for the light. See, as I am increasing the value of light on the resistor, you can see the LED is glowing much brighter. Can you see this? Okay, now I'm going to remove it. You can see LED get dimmer. When I'm putting it near to the LED, near to the resistor, my LED is glowing brighter. Got it? So this is the effect of intensity of light on the LDR that makes our light glow brighter or dimmer. This resistor is used in making various type of circuits such as laser security alarm and dark night sensors that we will learn in the further videos. I hope you understood the concept of LDR. Enjoy the video. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.